It's time to unbox your new Windows Collaboration display from Sharp. This display is the world's first Windows certified display, and we're excited to open it to see what's inside. On the front and back of the box there are 6 clips, 3 on each side, which need to be removed completely before opening. Once you've removed the clips, lift the top of the box using the handles to reveal your Windows Collaboration display from Sharp. Be sure to remove the accessory boxes before taking out the display. Install the unit onto your wall mount or rolling cart using instructions that came from the mounting manufacturer. The monitor has VESA mounts for easy installation. Be sure to lift the WCD display by using the provided handles and supporting the bottom of the device if needed. Unboxing part is easy, however, for those heavy parts, have an extra colleague around to help with the heavy lifting. Align the installed hardware with the slots on the mount so it rests firmly in place. Remember to follow any further instructions that came with your mounting solution. This accessory box contains the operation manual, power cord, touch cable, wire management clips, HDMI cable, stylus pen, and an 8-meter USB Type-C cable. When the unit is installed onto the rolling cart, don't forget to lock the canisters. In the smaller boxes, you will find the IoT sensor, which collects occupancy, temperature, light, and air quality in the room. And lastly, our 4K camera, which supports high quality resolution. Our camera field of depth is 120 degrees and a microphone array of 13 to 20 feet. Now that you've unwrapped your Windows Collaboration display from Sharp, attach the IoT sensor, camera, and appropriate cables on the right and center of the top of the monitor. At this point, you can remove any of the lens film from the camera and IoT sensor. Insert the power cable into the back of the device and plug in to get power. And now your Windows Collaboration display from Sharp is fully assembled. To get started, just press the power button on the right and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Don't forget to attach the pen to the magnetic tray at the bottom of your device. Connect, communicate, and collaborate effectively with the Windows Collaboration display from Sharp.